A multi-trillion-dollar vision is rapidly moving from prototype to reality. For Elon Musk, 2025 has been a year of critical milestones and controversial claims. The goal is no longer just electric cars or reusable rockets. It is the restructuring of human civilization itself. From a robot army tasked with ending poverty and potentially policing crime to a fully reusable starship demonstrating lunar landing capability and the first true steps toward human telepathy. This is the latest on the project set to define the next decade. We dive deep into the engineering achievements, the ambitious timelines, and the immense power accumulating under one person's command. First, the central pillar of Musk's vision for sustainable abundance, the Tesla Optimus robot. Optimus, or the Tesla bot, is no longer a human in a suit. With the latest Optimus 2.5 and the upcoming V3, Tesla is aggressively moving toward its first pilot production goals. The biggest news is the staggering scale. Musk is targeting 1 million units per year from the pilot line. A production ramp-up, he claims, will be the fastest in history, rivaling the sheer volume of mobile phones. Why such scale? Musk believes Optimus is the infinite money glitch that creates universal, sustainable abundance, effectively ending poverty by performing all unwanted human labor. The engineering focus is on precision. Recent updates show the robotic hands successfully completing delicate, complex tasks, far exceeding simple heavy lifting. But the boldest and most controversial claim emerged from the 2025 shareholder meeting, using Optimus for social control, instead of putting people in prisons and stuff. You now get a free Optimus, and it's just going to follow you around and stop you from doing crime. This proposal sparked immediate debate, pitting the promise of a humane deterrent against fears of a hyper-policed surveillance state run by autonomous algorithms. The integration doesn't end on Earth. Musk has confirmed plans to send the Optimus units on the first Starship mission to Mars by 2026. Their purpose? To prepare the environment for human arrival. In terms of production challenges, Tesla paused some plans in 2025 due to persistent design issues with the hands and forearms, as well as geopolitical supply chain hurdles. They are now fast-tracking development for the V3 reveal in early 2026. The company also teased a potential Neuralink integration, where patients with paralysis could eventually control an Optimus robot with their thoughts. A groundbreaking leap in assistive technology. The target price remains around $20,000 once mass production is achieved, cementing its place as the most significant product of all time if Musk's predictions hold true. Now to the orbital frontier. SpaceX has conducted 11 Starship flight tests as of late 2025, moving rapidly through an iterative, high-risk development cycle. The latest reports confirm 6 successes and 5 failures, a ratio that shows massive progress on the long-term goal of full reusability. The most recent major achievement was the highly anticipated booster catch. Flight Test 5 successfully brought the massive Super Heavy booster back to the launch site, where it was caught by the towering Chopsticks arms. This maneuver is essential. It proves the rapid turnaround needed to reduce launch costs to a fraction of traditional methods. Flight Test 11, the final flight for the Starship version 2 design, achieved key milestones, including the deployment of Starlink simulators and a successful splashdown test for the Super Heavy booster in the Gulf of Mexico. However, the ship itself remains a challenge. Engineers are still battling engine performance issues, including filter blockages. Our final segment addresses the smallest hardware but the most profound ambition, merging the human mind with the digital world. Neuralink has successfully implanted its device in 3 human patients as part of the Prime and Convoy studies, demonstrating the ability to control computers and even an assistive robotic arm with thought alone. The company received FDA breakthrough device designations in 2025 for 2 key areas: speech restoration and blind sight, accelerating the clinical trial path for severe neurological conditions. The goal is accelerating to a planned 20 to 30 more procedures in 2026. Neuralink is not just treating paralysis. It is moving toward its long-term vision of digital immortality and achieving telepathy. The ethical debate remains fierce. Is this a medical breakthrough or the prelude to a dangerous loss of mental privacy? The line between therapy and enhancement is blurring. Meanwhile, the digital brain is growing through xAI's Grok. The latest model, Grok 3 Beta, is competing directly with the top-tier models like GPT-4, focusing on advanced reasoning and complex problem-solving. Grok 3 introduces features like Think Mode for structured, step-by-step reasoning and an enhanced deep search for real-time data from the X platform, giving it a unique, witty, and always current edge. The underlying mission of XAI, according to Musk, is safety, to create an AI that seeks to understand the universe and serve as a check against other, potentially rogue, superintelligences. With massive infrastructure upgrades like the Colossus supercomputer cluster, XAI is positioning itself as the open-source, ambitious challenger that could soon dictate the pace of global AI development. Robotics, rockets, and the human brain. The news from the Elon Musk empire in late 2025 shows a coordinated, intense, and deeply personal acceleration toward goals that will irrevocably alter our world. The pace of development is relentless, the risks are immense, and the payoff could be nothing less than a new definition of civilization. What do you think? Will Optimus bring abundance or control? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.